Hey guys, I wasn't feeling so hot this morning. This rising, this day, this new day, this Saturday. Oh, I am achy all over. Started a new job. And the magic of how quickly things fell into place after all the time I was in hermit mode. Kind of getting me out of a deep sleep. I feel a bit rusty. But it'll do itself back up. I was thinking about what we're doing here, each of us, every day, and growing, and each of our skill sets that we're given, and the problems that come with it, or the challenges, I might say. The difficulty sometimes is our memory and how quickly we can forget and be back to a sort of autopilot where you're not really doing what you're supposed to. It's a program that's comfortable, that runs on repeat. Don't even need to be present. What am I talking about? Yeah, I'm wondering how often I've come here with different skill sets to learn different things, and where I'm gonna be going next. And yeah, that feeling is pretty heavy today, in a sense of this dream seems so real and so what am I trying to say? This game feels so real. This dream, this shared dream of experience we're giving each other and growing at the same time, leveling up. I'm trying to rewrite my past with visions. Yeah, I did that. I'll do it again. Saturn Day, a great day for rituals and ceremonial magic, for transmuting all the old stuff you have deep down and turning that lead into gold. We're asking for the help of our Archangel Ezekiel, the grace of God, the merciful, the cosmic alchemist of the seventh flame. This flame is violet, the seventh ray. Help us open our third eye chakra and see true to our vision. Help us rewrite our past with our desired manifestation. Heal us with your violet ray. The spiritual alchemy happens in the invisible, in the upper layers. Just the right amount, at just the right place, that you receive this. The colors, the sound, they bypass the rational mind, working at the level of the soul, Be mindful of what you listen to and what you watch. You're gonna need to transmute all these low frequency energies to the highest possible frequency. Our Archangel Zadkiel, Cassiel, Hasdiel, the chariot, the righteousness of God. Gemini sign, thoughts, communication. Forgiveness of the mind, of the shadow self, acceptance, self-forgiveness, compassion, understanding, transformation. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. You're free. You have freedom. It is all you. You are within you. Experiencing yourself. You are free. This is freedom. Outside is infinity, while you shall go back home from whence you came, there and back, up and down. The rhythm is in the cosmos, as it is in the micro. It is in the macro, as it is in within. It is out without. It is in the molecule. It is in the atom. I don't know where I'm going next. Probably a water sign. I'm an air sign. Air sign to water. And then back to earth. No, back to fire. Earth, air, water. Fire, earth, air, water. Fire, earth, air, water. Fire, earth, air, water. Fire, earth, air, water. Until we can pierce the 7th floor, the 7th veil. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the heart, this beautiful green nature walks, nature baths. Take a bath with minerals. Put the minerals. Ooh. Do you know why we're here? Sometimes I think I know and then I forget. I like those crystals. I found these ones by the river. Not sure what they are, but they were like, pick me up. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but sometimes they shine like effervescent, pearlescent rainbow colors. More when they're wet, of course. I'm trying to. I feel like it looks like lava rock or some kind of metallic. I don't know. They're awesome. Hey, mirror. This is better. I really don't know. Anywho, yeah. God is within, by your side all the time. You just need to open your heart. Open that metal, cold, filled of lead heart. Let the golden path unfold. Boom, 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 boom. Astral travel, boom, 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 is your path, boom, 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 boom. Go to sleep, but not quite, and then go for a ride. Do-doom, 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 do-doom. May Christ be with you, my